What's going on? Scott with Scott's Journeys here, and if any of y'all really watch my channel, you know that I love to do aerial footage with my drone. Fly it all the time. I've done many how-tos and all kinds of cool stuff. But I'm here in Orlando right now, and we're checking out MegaCon, and when we go to try to fly the drone, we realize that we're in restricted airspace. There's like only little spots where you can lift the drone up like 50 feet, and you really can't get any good aerial footage at 50 feet in the air. So what we decided to do was we were going to go get all of our area footage from a helicopter. So yeah, that's basically the long and the short of it. We're going to get our aerial shots today for this vlog from a helicopter. So see you in a minute. So this is so cool. I can't wait. We're gonna love this. Check this thing out. Watch my head. Alright guys.
7 Uniform Foster, right down with approval, runway 25 right, so take off. Alright, 428 Alpha Victor, Livermore Tower, traffic turning left base, no delay, runway 25 left, clear to take off, left down approved.
Alright, so I think from now on I'm going to do all of my aerial footage from a helicopter because that was so cool, man. Taking us up, it went up fast. It seemed like a fast tour. It was a quick flight, but we went around, we got some views of the convention center. I had an awesome time. That was so cool. Hey, I'm Scott with Scott's Journeys, and I will see you in the next video.